Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to our channel, your trusted home for senior health, strength, and wellness. Let me ask you a question. Have you noticed your legs feeling weaker, or that getting up from a chair or climbing stairs is a little harder than it used to be? That's something many people over 60 experience, and it's often caused by something called muscle loss, or what doctors refer to as sarcopenia. But here's the good news. You can slow it down and even reverse it with a few simple morning habits. In today's video, I'll share a powerful morning routine that keeps your muscles strong, your balance steady, and your energy high, no matter your age. And later, we'll also discuss common foods that silently damage aging muscles, and what to eat instead to stay strong and active for years to come. So grab a comfortable seat or stand tall. Let's start your morning the right way. Part 1. Understanding muscle loss after 60. Let's begin by understanding what's really going on inside your body. After the age of 30, we naturally start losing about 3% to 5% of our muscle mass every decade. And after 60, this process speeds up if we don't actively work against it. This isn't just about appearance or strength. Your muscles are vital for balance, mobility, and independence. When muscles weaken, it becomes harder to walk, lift groceries, or even maintain good posture. And that's why starting your day with muscle-boosting habits is one of the best gifts you can give your body. But before we talk about movement, let's focus on the first and often forgotten step: morning hydration and nutrition. Part 2. Step 1. Hydrate your muscles the right way. After a long night's sleep, your body is slightly dehydrated. When your muscles don't get enough water, they lose flexibility and strength. So the very first thing you should do every morning is simple. Drink 1 full glass of water as soon as you wake up. For an added boost, you can make a quick muscle hydration drink. 1 cup of warm water, a squeeze of lemon for vitamin C and to wake up digestion, a pinch of Himalayan salt or electrolyte powder to help your muscles absorb water better. This gentle mixture helps restore the minerals your body lost overnight and prepares your muscles to move efficiently throughout the day. Think of it as watering your muscles, because hydrated muscles are healthy, flexible muscles. Part 3. Step 2. The 5-minute morning movement routine. Next comes movement, but don't worry, you don't need to go to the gym or do anything strenuous. Just 5 minutes of light, consistent movement each morning can make a remarkable difference in keeping your muscles alive and active. Here's a simple routine you can do right after waking up. March in place, 1 minute. Stand tall, gently lift your knees one at a time. This gets your blood flowing and wakes up your leg muscles. Arm circles, 1 minute. Extend your arms and make small, slow circles. Great for shoulder flexibility and posture. Chair squats, 1 minute. Stand in front of a sturdy chair. Sit down and stand back up slowly, keeping your hands out in front for balance. This strengthens your thighs and hips, key muscles for preventing falls. Calf raises, 1 minute. Hold a wall or chair for support. Rise onto your toes, then lower down slowly. Strengthens lower legs and improves balance. Torso twists, 1 minute. Stand or sit tall. Gently twist from side to side to loosen your spine and engage your core. 5 minutes. That's all it takes to wake up your muscles, improve circulation, and start your day strong. Do this every morning, and within a few weeks, you'll notice more energy, better posture, and easier movement throughout the day. In the next part, we'll talk about the foods that accelerate muscle loss and the simple swaps that help your body rebuild strength 1 meal at a time. So stay with me. The best part is yet to come. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another video made just for you.
生多不容易。